I don't know.
How loud is it?
Hang on, it's pretty loud. All right, come here. Do your intro.
Chat, welcome back to another video. You already know. Let's get it.
Hold it down. Hold it down.
No, behind it. It's right there. Hold it. Just hold it. Oh my. That wasn't me.
Try to do it.
And if someone tells you what's your parents' name, say that you're 15.
I'm 15. What's your parents' names?
No, say that you're 16 because you get a beard.
Kim and Chris.
Kim and Chris. What about the phone number?
That doesn't matter. I'll take the blame. It doesn't matter.
Wait, Jack, not yet. Put it down.
Go, Jack. Blake. She was not bad at hurt my hand.
Oh shit. We're gonna come back here and do this.
You're a terrible brother.
What are you talking about?
That's what I'm telling him. Let me see. Is he camping?
Chat, I
I don't
want to do
think
the
they
video.
care, bro.
What?
I don't even think they care. Let's just hold it down. Let's just keep on doing it until we get caught. Why not leave it until we get caught?
Go.
We each take turns doing it until we get
Okay,
caught.
I'm after you.
What do you mean you haven't done it? Oh yeah, you did. You just did now. Alright.
Where's it at?
Take a video. It's already going.
Dude, the squeeze fucking juice out of my hand.
Oh shit. I'm not lying. There's one more right there. There's two. Now.
We're getting kicked out, chat. Watch.
Did your parents still want us to get the birthday?
Yeah, we'll come.
You need to stop right there. You have the air horn? But you have video if you want me to check.
No, it was some kid in a brown hoodie. We watched him do it.
Where's he at? He's still in here?
I don't know where he went. Kind of saw him go that way.
No, Mom,
We catch him on my call video, and if you're lying, we're going to call the police. You got
No,
two
he's
of-
right there.
Huh?
He went over that corner.
Just,
Do you want us to go get him?
Yes.
Okay.
I want his ass back here now.
All right.
All right. Well, I don't know. We just got blamed for something we didn't do, so I'm gonna go home here soon. I don't know. I'll probably be home in like 10 minutes.
I'm getting him.
You ready to get it?
I am.
All right. Bye. Love you.